at these breakfast cheesy chicken waffles. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at how amazing. Did you hear the crunch? I know you heard the crunch. Come with me. I'll show you what to do. It's breakfast time. Cheesy chicken waffles. Not chicken and waffles. Breakfast cheesy chicken waffles. That's what we're getting ready to make. I have everything already prepped. It's quick, it's easy. And with the way the prices are, we're using leftover rotisserie chicken. You can use any protein you want. You can leave the protein out. You can throw in some mushrooms, some spinach, anything you want. It is absolutely customizable. But the process, oh my goodness, crispy and cheesy. I have everything here. The full recipe will be on my website, pamspreps.com. So we have our shredded, leftover rotisserie chicken for our breakfast cheesy chicken waffles. I've got two kinds of cheese here. I have red and green bell pepper, a little olive oil for our waffle iron. You want to go ahead and preheat your waffle iron. Please don't spray your waffle iron with cooking spray. Is it convenient? Yes. Is it easy? Yes. But over time, it will ruin the coating that's on your waffle iron. So if you need to add some oil, brush it on. That's what we'll be doing, and a couple of other things. And I got my eggs. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my eggs beaten. Make sure your eggs are well beaten. A splash of, this is the liquid from pickled jalapenos, okay? With that in it, I am adding some of my Pam's Prep all-purpose seasoning to my egg mixture. Sure, again, it's well beaten. Now, we are going to oil our grates. Mine actually don't need very much oiling because, well, I keep it well oiled. But go ahead and just brush top and bottom of your grates with just a little bit of olive oil, okay? A little cheese to the bottom, okay? I'm gonna put this cheese right here on the bottom. Put a mixture of both kinds in here. Not too much, but a little bit. Make sure there's some in all of the crevices, okay? Now we're gonna close the top and just let that cook a little bit. Okay, it takes just a couple of minutes. Now we're going to go in and pour some of our egg. You do want to cover all your cheese spots. Now we're going to go in with just a few red and green bell peppers. If you don't like the bell peppers, you can simply leave them out. You can also use jalapenos or any other peppers that you might like. Now we're going to go in with some of our chicken, and you can use any protein you want. Leave the protein out and make all veggies, okay? And now we're going to close that, let that egg start cooking. Okay, time to check it. Oh, and it's looking good, looking good. Now we're going to go in on the tops again with cheese, okay? Again, I am using both kinds. You can feel free to use any cheese that you like. You guys know I love color when I cook, so I had to use the red and green bell peppers up against that yellow. It looks delicious. I'm going to close this until this cheese is melted and crispy. You will know when it's ready if you go to check and that it's not releasing from the top, then the cheese is not completely crispy yet, because once it gets crispy, it will release on its own. Oh my goodness. These look amazing. Look how they lift right up, guys. Cut this a little bit right here. Look at these breakfast cheesy chicken waffles. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at how amazing that looks. Look at the other side. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. Ooh, delicious, delicious, delicious. Quick and easy. Now, before y'all ask me if you can freeze them, I only make what I'm going to eat because I'm normally using some leftovers. So I don't have a lot to make them up in advance. So I can't answer that because I've never froze them. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Look at how crispy they are. Oh my goodness. And they smell so delicious. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Returning subscribers, thank you. And channel members, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Everyone for your loyal, faithful support. Oh my goodness. The full recipe will be on my website, pamspreps.com. Don't forget to grab your seasoning and your free ebook while you are there. Ooh. Can you hear that crunch? Crunchy, crispy, delicious. Oh my goodness. These breakfast chicken and egg waffles are amazing. I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.